Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 33a, in which we will take words with double fatha, double kasra, or double dhamma or tanween. If you take the signs rhyme, it is easy to remember all these signs. So it is a, okay, e, u, a, e, u, an, in, on, and shadda, mad, sukun. We already took a, e, u, which is fatha, kasra, and dhamma, and a, e, u, which is standing fatha, standing kasra, and inverted dhamma. Now we are taking double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma, which is an, in, on, or tanween. Each of these is called tanween, or nunation. You know double fatha, so we straight away practice the words. Repeat after me. قليلا قليلا شيئا
شيئا
سبيلا
سبيلا
أذى
أذى
أذى مثوى
مثوى
هدى
هدى
double kasra آية
آية
نقص
نقص
na is here, qaf is thick and high, and sad is very high, so it will be naqsin. Again, naqsin
نقص
fadlin
فضل
fa is here, da is there, fadlin again, so fadlin
فضل
ba'din
بعض
ba'din, okay, ba'din yawma'idhin,
يومئذ
don't say yawma'idhin, samawatin
سماوات
double dhamma, kitabun
كتاب
azizun
عزيز
jami'un
جميع
mubinun
مبين
alimun
عليم
ashabun
أصحاب
a is here and sad is there, right, ashabun
أصحاب
that's it. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.